Alright, hello guys, how you all? I hope so you all will be doing good. Welcome back, brother. Welcome to the stream. Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam, brother. What's up? What's up, guys? No, just DM me. I might not have seen your DM yet, but I'll do. Sure, DM me. Okay, so just get this win, bro. You're a master. Thank you, brother. Guys, what's up? What's up? How you guys doing? How you guys doing, bro? How to join the Discord, bro? How can I find link? I think I have already shared. The link is in my description as well. The link is already given in my description. Still long, bro. Yeah, bro, still long. Still long and strong. Okay, so the week low is strong. We could possibly go to 100k if bullish. Are we shorting? Not yet. Not yet. Why so hungry for shorts? I'm sharing calls for a breakout here publicly on live streams, as well as I'll be sharing same trades on Discord as well. Hold on, I'll check hype as well. Later on. Are you going to have a specific section in Discord for breakout challenge? Probably no. I'll share the trades in high risk futures, and I'll share the trades on YouTube as well. But for the breakout members, yeah, I'll do separate trades. Like I'll write breakout trade with that one. 100k are delusional. Okay, I have to log in again. I missed the degen trades. Yesterday was not a degen trade. That was nice trade, like the real one. Hey bro, good morning. You know what time it is? It's like 2:19 a.m. in night here. That's not good morning. That's not good morning. How to trade on breakout? Okay, I'll share. I'm logging in on my breakout account. All right. Leak day 2. Nope. Not gonna leak anything, bro. 7 p.m. in Italy, 10 p.m. 10 p.m. where? I just came here just to hear your voice. Oh, thank you, brother. I guess it's not me, bro. Yeah, no, I'm just massive orders are 84 to 80k. What's your progress on your breakout account? Okay, the main one on the breakout, I have almost like completed the evaluation phase, and I'm funded already. Just because yesterday I took 2 trades on that one. One of them was probably this one. Yeah. Yeah, this one and one more was. That's still going. Nice one. No, I'm not stopped out. Are you still on Hyro? Yeah, I'm still on Hyro. If you guys got any problem, do let me know. But the main one is breakout, because the breakout have almost zero rules, so that's why. What do you think about Ether, bro? It looks weak. Yeah, sure. We'll look into that one as well. BTC looks better than Ether. 7 p.m. Okay. Morning 2 a.m. Morning. Yeah. Alright, so Let's start. First of all, we're gonna look at some of the charts, and then we're gonna look at are you still in the trade? Yeah, I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. I have taken half of the profits already. Like on Discord, I share TP1, and here not on the Twitter, but like I have already utilized like 50%. Can we do swing trade on breakout? Is this strictly day trade? You can do swings as well. You can do scalps as well. Whatever you want to do, it's easier. It's no problem at all. You can do that. Hey brother, I hope you're well. Yeah, brother, I'm well. What about you? I hope you'll be well as well. Short or long? I will see. We will see. We will see today. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Walaikum salam. I'm good. What about you? Okay, so this is the trade from yesterday. We have more than $15,000 already realized and 10,000 running. So this is pretty good, pretty good. Let's short it. Long. Any new trade waiting for more PA? Nah, let me see. We'll see, we'll see. I have already taken an evolution here. It will be visible. Do you know Urdu? Yeah, I know. Where's Chahat Fateh? What? Okay. Firstly, I am. You long I sure we split profit. How? That's nice. That's nice. Not bad. Short since 93k. Yep, I'm still short from 93.9k. Losing it 7k should be short. He break the resistance. What's the next idea for those of us not in anything? Okay, so let's go straight away towards our new analysis. I'm fucking feeling bullish again. I'm fucking feeling bullish again. Okay, so fucking bullish. Send it to highs. Send it so fucking higher. Why do you always use cross leverage, bro? Like it's cause I can use more of my money to save my liquidation, to save my fucking ass. So that's why I use more cross side. How to trade on breakout, please? Okay, just give me a few minutes. Like uh, it will be visible here soon. Just give me a few minutes. I've already bought one and I have bought manually through another way, so it will be visible in a few minutes over there. Why bullish, bro? Can you explain? Cause it looks good. That's it. Okay, so let's go to higher time frame, analyze BTC and all the stuff, and then we're gonna look at what's happening, what type of trade we're gonna ape. All right. So first of all, looking at this one, we are making a higher low and higher high stuff, close to another higher low. Okay. So there's still a possibility if we don't take out these lows, we might just run it back higher. Yeah, but I'm not feeling that way. Like, why bullish, bro? I bullish 100k next. Yeah, the thing is, like, I want to see all of the FPGs being filled before we start move back down again. So looking at FPGs on the daily time frame, we can see we got a nice FPG pending to be executed over here. Okay, over right over here. So that one, cause when you're coming down, the healthy downtrend is always after filling the FPGs. You can see like this one, higher, this one. You can see this one. This was already filled here, so that was pretty good. And you can even look at this one being filled now. The thing is, like, that's fucking magic demonstration over here. So you can see this one, this one, this one, this one is not filled yet. Okay, and this one is the main FPG that's already filled. This one was filled before as well. So in downtrend, I want to see maximum FPGs getting filled, and then we move lower. Okay, so that's my way of analyzing. And right now that was clean long over there yesterday, because we can see there were a lot of tools like Agar and all the stuff like being fucking trapped over there. Traders were trapped as well. So that was the reason I longed yesterday. Okay, doesn't matter about previous weekly lows. Lol. 88k. Yes, you are somehow right, but you have deleted your comment. If we go above 88k, yep, we might be doing sometime highs again. Yeah, it goes 94k. Yep, 94k is the main resistance over there, and if we break that one, we are surely going towards $100,000. Okay, can you explain FVG in the order flow way? Yeah, we are lower than previous week low. CME gap 90.5 and 2.5k. I don't really trade CME gaps, but somehow they are always like included in my analysis every time. So looking at FEG in an order flow is like it's like pretty beautiful. Like okay, so we're going down, right? Now where you can think like the previous lower high can be, or the next lower high can be. Where do you think? I do think like either the lower high should be, if the downtrend is strong downside, we have to see witness all the previous FEGs, not all but the biggest one or the major one being filled, and then we start coming back down. Otherwise, this might even go until the order block and then come down. So this is pretty simple. This is pretty simple, especially talking about the FPGs. That's pretty simple. Okay, so looking at structure, we think it keeps dropping this range another 2-3 weeks most likely, as the whole is big imbalance area. Yep, from 80k 100k might take way longer time than we can expect. How much is your portfolio size, brother? I'm making like 10 to 20 $30,000 every day, so obviously it's rising very quickly, and I'm giving what is our block. For that one, you'll have to go to my Discord and look at the price action I have shared over there. That's for free in my Discord. You can see everything over there. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we got an order block over here as well. I'll show you. That is filled, and we are seeing the bounce in that way. So in the weekly time frame, I think like we might be seeing a retest of this zone. We would have seen that before as well, but the reason we haven't seen that one yet is because we have a very nice level of 94k. That's probably your yearly opens. That's why we haven't seen that one yet. So okay, so we're gonna where are my fucking arrows path? Yeah, so that one's still nice opportunity and nice possibility as well. When all season, I'm saying this from months, there's no fucking all season. Come on. Okay, so now we go back to our lower time frame what we just drawn a few minutes ago. That's fucking clean. Look at that one. Look at that one. Already like 1 hour. Already like 1 hour without any fucking confidence from Agar or all the stuff, but that's a beautiful, yeah. No more all season, less people joining crypto now. Yeah. Probably that might be the case as well, because less people joining these days. BEC, yeah, BEC is fucking going, yeah. Loving it, bro. Started the stream to see something like this. Okay, so if someone taking the trade, damn, no more people call XD. Yeah. Okay, so if someone take the fucking stops to break even. My stops were probably here. Nope, I changed my stops. Anyway, I'm gonna keep my stops tight as fuck. Too many shitcoins now for all season like other cycles. Yeah. Yesterday we took another trade as well. We probably took here or here, I don't remember. That was probably here. 85k was my stops. And we were looking for what? We were looking for this FPG. I'm still writing that one, so I'll be fucking doing this. Yeah, we took some profits at 88k. Yeah. So I'll adjust it like this one. Let me show you guys. Yeah. Alright, you can see this one. Take TP1 here. This one. So I'll adjust it like this one. I don't know, we might see some take profit levels. Okay. Okay, so on the lower time frame, we need to take this out. This one, okay. We need to take this out. Then we are good to go. Otherwise, stops are set to break even. Okay, the stops are break even now. We need to take this out, and then we are going straight towards our target. So can you elaborate? Please run into 90k today, so I clear my step 2. Hello boss, Grandmaster Flash Trader, you are killing you or is killing the mark once again. Thank you, brother. Was TP for at 5k trade. Took TP1 at 88k and the rest one above 90 and higher. Privacy coins got season is selective. Yeah. Yep. You're right somehow. Okay, so that one was huge of the perpetuals going long, but the good thing was there was a lot of spot volume as well along with them, because look at this fucking big wick from Coinbase. That's probably Sailor, no one else than fucking Sailor, bro. Sailor is like fucking mind blowing, brother. He just wants to buy each and every drop of BTC in our blood. Yep, Zcash, XMR, all of them were just pumping calls because of the privacy share. TMView, Trump is going to make an announcement at 9 p.m. EST, Eastern Time. Alright. Okay. Yeah. We saw some nice moves from Zcash past couple of days. I do remember. Alright, so we are up nicely. We are up pretty nicely on the trades. So should we look for some high time frame views as well along with this one? What you guys saying? Well, you must be smart to invest, not just follow the hype. I think let's look here. I think I made chart of ZEC somewhere. You're a brutal. No way. Okay, so that one, yeah. ATF. Alright, look here. Let's look at some high time frame shits, bro. Alright, let's look at some high time frame charts. Where's my fucking XBT? Alright, here it is. So let's look at some high time frame charts. What we thinking about? So that one was nice. Remember this when we were saying to short here and people were making fun of us. They were saying we are going to new highs and this and that. Oh my goodness, that was nice. We This is my previous chart, and like, look at this one. That was so clean, so clean. Let me find it on X. I will be probably having that one on X as well. What day it was? It was probably 9th of December, a week ago, and I was like sharing this. We are not at very good area, and people were making fun of us. So let me find that chart as well. I probably made that one on stream. Where's that one? I think I shared somewhere. That might be on Discord. That might be on Discord. That one. That one was, yes, I was there. Yep, we made this one on live, and that was, that was so clean. Yep, we were actually sweeping those highs those days, and we were like clearly mentioning all that stuff happening over there. Yeah, and that was so beautiful. That was really so beautiful. Like, that was clean. We just had a sweep of those previous week highs, and then we started coming back toward our Monday lows. We swept that one. Look at this one. Then we went back up. We swept the Monday highs and swept yearly opens again. That was clean, and there was no other chance to go down here, because we have already swept both sides. Then we went down, retested the Monday lows here, and went down. So that was very clean. There was no other reason to be bullish again over there. But even on this lower time frame uptrend, we have honestly nailed that one. We have nailed that one. You can see this one. We have fucking nailed everything. Yeah, let's go, let's go. That's so beautiful. We just broke the zone. I think we're going to 9 catalyst for today. Yep, I think so as well. Because that one was your lower time frame. MSP, I just wanted to close higher in like 15-minute time frame. So they're gonna bullish. If this closes back below in on the 15 minutes, I'm at booking profits. Look at that single candle, brother. That's huge. I'm more pulse than spot currently. Yeah, good spot volume, good perpetuals. A little more on the perpetuals, but looking nice to see that the spot have already broken to the upside. Look at this one. Spots are higher than perpetuals. By Bitfinex having high perpetuals, Binance spot, Coinbase spot. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Very nice to see. Very nice to see. But this motherfucker is again coming back. I wanted to close higher in next 1 minute. Why did you take this trade? When did you take this trade? I just took this trade a few minutes ago. I'll show you on live. Don't worry. Some people later on call that you have already taken trade and come live late and all that stuff, but I'll show you a way. Look at this one. Okay, look at this one. I took it over here. Look at this one. Okay, when did you take this trade? I took it here, long position. There you go. There you go. Yeah, this looks ready to go. Look at this. This one. This one. I took it here. I think we got the close we wanted. Let me see. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Let's fucking go. Yeah. It's already fucking up 2 hour. 2 hour. Yeah. It's up 2 hour. If you want, you can book half of the profits. I think we got the close. Yeah. Day 2, brutal opens live stream, brutal giggle along VC pumps. Yeah. I'm loving the market makers. They are pretty nice to me. I'm loving them. I don't know what I have done. Like, you know what? There are a lot of traders who are always like hunted. Whenever they come live or they do share trades publicly, they are mostly being hunted by some big whales and market makers. But I'll not call myself pretty good. I'll say I'm lucky. That's it. Cause no market maker have arrived here yet. I'm gonna say I'm just lucky. Okay, hi bro. Or do you get a retest now usually? Yeah, we do get some retests as well. Like might be looking for another long over here. Another one over here. If we get the pullback. Okay. Somewhere here. And then we go straight high. Or you are market maker. Astaghfirullah, that's haram, bro. Did you get or is it? I think we got the close. Okay, Chow will have the signs before the narrative starts being shared on news outlets. Was there news on for this pump? I don't know. I don't even know. I don't think so. Maybe might be some news I'm missing maybe, but I don't really care. Just long whenever brutal streams. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, so in these retests, sometimes it happens like you just get a retest of your previous lower high because that one the bearish order block. This one have already turned the bullish order block, and sometimes if the market is weak, they give you a retest up to the FVG as well, like this one. So possibility of getting a retest to the FVG as well and then going back up. So I'll if I have already took a position, it will be better for me and I'll not be entering into any other immediately. Okay, NFP and employment news, I guess. Okay, nice, not bad, not bad. Honestly, I do not even check the dates of NFP. unemployment days or anything. I really just like ignore all of that. I really like ignore all of them, especially the phones in news. I really don't look at them. Like that's already what chart is chart is suggesting you to do. So Formsy might lie, but chart never lies. What happened to Pepin? I don't know. Nice. Oh my goodness. That's nice. What happened? What happened? Do I enter long now? Nope. Nope. Never. We entered long here. We longed here. We longed like many times. Was with NFP these last couple months. Used to be only on Friday. All of them are honestly manipulated. Whenever they want something in the markets, they just drop the news. That's it. That's it. Healthy correction, Pippin. That's not healthy. That's not healthy. I just checked the calendar and it's NFPXD. Yeah, oh my gosh. It just creates volatility. Yeah, it gives a chance to market makers and it gives a chance to the manipulators. It gives a chance to the insiders to make a lot of money. 4 hour candle looks bullish. When to short this leg? I'm not looking to short right now. Yeah, 4 hour looks nice and bullish. Very bullish. Yeah, some people unfortunately shorted over here, but that was not good. That was really not good. Because we still got a major level here to be reclaimed, and if that's reclaimed, it's over for bulls as of now. Yeah, that's probably a nice resistance level over there. But if we break out from this one, straight away going towards here. Yeah, that was the first retest. And if this trade goes back to break even, we can like short over there. Not right now, but we can short it over there, long here, and look for this. Just identifying my plans. That's it. Higher, my friend, fucking higher. How are you? I'm good. How are you? What's your target for BTC? Target is already given on the streams, on every chart, on everything. I always do share targets, the stops, tight stops. Yeah, we are back to $88,000. We are back to $88,000. That's so nice. Go higher, higher. That's so nice. That's so nice. This one was honestly brilliant over here, and it's up like not that one, probably that one. Up like 2.5 hours. Alright, so do stack bids a fixed price action like liquidity? Nope. those are actually just to destroy you guys. Honestly, I'll say like most of them are actually done to like remove your overall bias of the market. How hard do you bits will go in next month? I don't really think about that one really, because when you can trade on the daily basis, it's like not helpful for you to look at your high time frame analysis. Still, I just share my analysis of the high time frame with you guys on Twitter and all the stuff. Like on the Twitter, I have already shared that one. You guys remember last time I shared on Twitter about the November and October being bearish, and so far we have already seen that one. So the thing is like you need to be just stay away doing what is possible in like lower time frame entries and all that stuff. Why not long Pengu with Bitsy? Okay, so do you guys want that I should take some trades of members? What do you guys say? Should I pump your charts? Should I pump your charts today? Let me know. Can you buy? Bro, I have already taken some profit, so yeah. Should I like pump some charts today? How high do you think Bills will go in the next month? So that's gonna be straight away Degen. Yeah, Degen mode. Retest of 87370 in 5 minutes. Yeah, possible retest as well here. Not 370, but I think possible retest might be this rectangle. Probably here. No, I don't want pump. I just want you to make money. Uh, ICP pump, ICP pump. You must be long on ICP. I think so. No, no degen. Okay. Long Esther. No way. I'm not gonna pump CZ shit and spell for the community. Just Pango looks good, so this is why I asked Pango. Let me see, is Pango really looking good? Okay, I'm about to say this one. No, this is not looking better. Look at this one. Yeah, my plan is already made here. Yeah, why should I like long this one? Because we don't have any nice setup over there. That still looks weaker. Yeah, I don't know why should I long this. ICP. Someone was talking about ICP as well. Look at this. That's not looking good. That's not looking. Weekly is still pretty bad. Daily is just having a pump of like 1%. So yeah, Solana. Look at Sol. Yeah. Look at Sol. Yeah. Did you add it at 7 from 5K? No, I'm long from lower. Yeah, that one was a bearish retest on around 0.015. Yep. Soul does not even looks good. We shorted here. Okay, I'm coming. Just going to bring some water. Yo, let's go. The only order looks a bit nice for long soon is Link. Okay. Similar to ICP. I think it might still go a bit lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daily red candles. So this might take some time for the accumulation before moving further back up. Short fort is good idea. No, not shorting yet when I'm long BTC. What happened to Potcoin? Not shorting this. Daily, a lot of coins doing similar to this one. MSBs. Might just spam some nicer green candles. That's even better because that's 3%. Why you saying me to short the strong coins and long the weak coins? That's why you guys are not winning. So that's better than ICP and the other one probably learn because you can see the daily gains. That's 2%. That's pretty good. So I never suggest anyone to like long the strong, short the strong coins and long the weak coins. That's easy. We really ruined all the charts. Yep, this one. New lows and new lows. Look at this. Everything is pumping and this motherfucker is just going down. Dot. I'm long in Ether tonight. When should I start taking profits? You guys long way late. Ether is weak. When it's weak, it's actually good to short, not to long. But right now, I'll not say to long when right now I'll not say to short when I'm already long on BTC because you know BTC drives the whole market. Look at this one. Still no daily close at 94k. No close here. Remember this trade. Any closure above yearly opens was stop loss. And we haven't seen any close above yearly opens here. No volume anywhere in markets, so better stick with BTC. Yep. I'm not in long right now. We say I can add it at 7.5k. I don't think so. We have already got some nice opportunities. And right now here, even myself, I'm not adding into longs. I'm just staying with my previous position. So I'll say no. Yeah, I remember that Astra guy who used to come every day. Yeah. Okay, so I also know one more website, especially for scalpers, similar to Agar can say. So if you guys know, let me know. If you guys want, I'll share with you guys. If you guys want, I will share it with you guys. Like that's a very nice website for especially for analyzing. Let me know in the comments if you guys want it. I'll share it. Share please. All right. All right. Okay, so that one is Valor.xyz, Coin Glass Legend. No, that's this one. That one is this one. So on this one, you guys can actually see CVD in dollars, best price, and you can even add more indicators if you want. Like for this one, I'll suggest you to okay. Just just give me a second. Let me just log in. Just let me log in and I'll share everything with you guys. Okay, so you have to go to here. Okay, toggle to charts, click the little FX button over here, and you can add the indicators you want. So for me, what I mostly use is this one. Okay, that's your aggregated open interest, mainly this one, and the second one I use is the candles one. I think those are already open here. and you can use the funding rates as well. These ones. The good thing about this one is, yeah, but not free. Well, I remember it, but I didn't know how to use it. Okay. So on this one, we can even look at each and every coin. So that's one of the best thing. Like all these coins are mentioned over here. You can use any of your coin, BTC, Ether. Especially when you're doing on altcoins, you have to look at like this. Look at this one, open interest, people longing this coin. So in my opinion, I want to see this one going down before entering. So this one is pretty nice, but that one is a scam coin. BNB, look at this one. Look at this one. You can see even Aster here. I don't know why people are still buying this shirt. They are longing this shirt because that's future. So obviously they're gonna be ruined. Is it paid? No, it's not paid. It's not paid. It's not paid. I'll add this one to favorites as well. No, I'm gonna use BTC. Okay, the sources are from Bitget. Okay, all sources. I'm gonna see. Alright. So it's from Binance right now. Alright, so this one I'm gonna add to favorites as well. I already got a lot of favorites. I'll delete this later on. Okay, so I might just do something like I'll just use it before Levitas. Why not here? Okay, so that one is pretty good, especially looking at agent interest and all the stuff for the altcoins as well. So CZ is pushing Chilling Esther. I don't really care about that one because CZ can't just move. Yeah, it can move a coin in the short term, but for the long term, it needs real money. So oh, spot is selling. Perpetuals are shorting less, but spot is selling over here. So that's not nice. That's not nice. So my stops are break even on my trades. Stops are on break even. If you go and close below this one, I'll use this one. No, I'll better use this one. If you go and close below this one, we are probably going to take out the lows and go do something like this that we mentioned. Because the selling is from spots over here. Is it paid? No, it's not paid. Here. Yeah, I already shared that one. VELO.xyz. I have already shared here. Alright. We are already up nice, so I might be taking half again. If we don't hold here, right here, I'll just draw a rectangle. If we go and close below this one, I'm definitely taking some more profits. Today is 17 December, 14 days left. I'm your man of words. Away for you. Yep, I remember. So what, when do you use it, for scalping or for higher time frame maybe? Nope, always use that one for scalping. Always use that one for scalping. Maybe long around at 6.5k. Yeah, I'm just looking that we don't really want to close below this low. Even if it sweeps this one is fine. Sweeping is fine, but we should not be closing below that one. If we close below that one, we'll be going lower. We might do a gamble. We might do a gamble, like just open 5 BTCs more, and here. Just open 5 BTC and I'll immediately close. That will not be a very big loss for me. I have already taken huge profit on this trade, so I'll close if this goes below this one. My entry price is coming higher. That was over there before, because I'm trying to accumulate. Degen Spirit is coming back. Yes, because we are a nice sport here. That's why I just took. Degen, yeah, Degen, bro, full Degen. We are 10,000 up right now. Let's see after this trade what we're gonna see. If you give me 20 funny account, I can make $10,000 in a month. Well, that's very easy to say, but that's very difficult to execute. I know that one. I know that one. Saying that one is very easy, but it's like very difficult to wait. I don't know where's my manager. Breakout. He might be sleeping. He's a very nice guy, by the way. Okay, so in the meantime, when this trade is pumping, just give me a second. I'll show you something. In the meantime, when we are still in this trade, I'll share something with you guys. If you guys want to actually see that one or learn that one as well, that's something pretty new I have just discovered and saw that a lot of people were actually being profitable with the help. Please update Ether. Ether is very weak these days. So I'm not looking a lot on that one. Like I'm just trying to ignore the price action on Ether. I share up, bro. Yeah, I'll do share. I'll do share. I'm actually just trying to monitor this one a little bit. Yeah, some delta spot selling on BTC, but I don't want the follow through like this one. I don't want the follow through. I just want to see spots buying something again back. Alright, so I'll share something pretty nice with you guys. That's actually value sell, and I have started as well myself. And that's a pretty nice thing, and all the stuff happening on this one. That's valuesell.ai, valuesell.ai, and that's pretty nice because I've been using it for a few days, and you can see the website here. You can see the website over here, and after that one, I'll show you a few more things about the value cell, what it does and what it is. I've been trying this from couple. Yeah, I've been asking you about for 2 days. I asked last night and just earlier about value cell maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna share here. You can see all the profit leaderboards. People have made a lot of profits with help of like these AI things, and I'm using this one as well. I made some money on this one as well, and that one is beautiful. That one is beautiful because you just have to allow AI to trade for you, and you're gonna be making a lot of money. So that's something very nice. Like you are making money while you sleep. So that's probably 7 day. Let's go back to 1 month, and you can see the 69% made by someone, 61%. That was like great strategy based on their own morals. And I'm just new to this, but I'm loving this one. So I'll suggest you guys to go and check at least once that how is this thing changing the markets. Holy shit! Look at this one, 11,000 baby. I downloaded and installed it. Yeah, make sure like if you don't know, don't invest. You can invest the virtual money as well. You don't need to invest your real money. Just go to their website, download this. You don't need to invest your own money. I'm not doing. Look at this one. I'm doing it virtually. You can see this one, and you can do it virtually as well. So I have just made a bot, and you can even copy their bots as well. So that's not a big thing. Like if someone is having big profits, so you just copy their bots and do it. So I'm loving this. They're running a $500 giveaway. Yes. Okay, I just sent someone a picture. Okay, so are you guys ready for some fun while the stream is still ongoing? Should I share a funny thing here right now? Should I share a very funny thing right now? A very, very funny. Let's do it. I know. Most of you guys like puns and all the stuff. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, something very funny just happened. Okay, so I was talking to one of my friend. I don't want to like take his name. Should I take it? No, I don't think so. So I'll just remove that one. I want to just remove. Okay, so one of my friends just sent me a screenshot and said like, Riddle, I have something to tell you. Can you just like DM me? I said yeah. I'm on stream right now, but I'll surely do it. And then I unfortunately sent him a picture, and what he replied is so funnier. I sent him a picture of my setup, like I'm live now, live right now. Okay, that's on my Discord, but make screenshot and remove the name. Yeah, I'll do this. I'll do this. I'll do this. I just sent him a picture that I'm streaming right now, and what he sent me back is I'm shocked as well. So I sent a picture to him and said like, look at this one. How to zoom in? How to zoom in? Zoom in on picture command. That's probably control plus Z. Control plus zoom in one step. Okay. That's funny because it just takes you a second. So where's my fucking taskbar? That's over there. I sent him this and he just replied me, give me one of these bundles, you motherfucker. You know what bundle is this? You know what bundle is this? Hold control the zoom, scroll wheel. Oh, that one was not working. So I'm gonna reply him. I'm gonna reply in this one, brother. Okay, wait. I'll share that one as well. Are they passcode for all your ledgers? What's that? Oh, that was this shit, bro. 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 Yeah, that was stack of cash. Oh my goodness. I'm that old that I still fucking use rubber bands on my dollars. Yeah. Okay, so we just came back down, but until the zone holds, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, until the zone holds, it's actually fine. That was so fucking funny. Like he did not even saw anything relevant to YouTube, all the stuff, but he immediately saw the dollars and said, "Give me a stack, brother." Okay, so let's look at breakout. Okay, let's look at breakout. Okay, okay. I have step one evolution here. This is my login. This is my password. I'm gonna open the terminal. You can use this one on your PC as well, and you can use this one on your mobile as well. And I'm just gonna copy this. I hope no one sees what. Okay, I'll not log in here because it might show my password. Okay, so you can see here I have just opened. You can see here how I have just opened. So Like I have $100,000. Everything is here. Now it's very simple that you can just click on one click trading, accept that one. Yeah, you can activate it this. That's it. That's it. Now it's like this is your chart, and whenever, okay, I'll show you some things like you can look at your account statement over here, play sounds as well, order executions, order rejection if you want. That's just for like fun. Now you have to go to your trading dashboard. You can see here your like journal, your dashboard, my trading account, balance, all the stuff, and like buy. If you want to buy BTC, you just click on buy BTC, and that's it. And if you want to increase it, you can just do it like this. I'm fucking buying a lot, yeah. I'm buying a lot. Yeah, like you can open the positions like this, and if you want, you can like whatever order you want, you can just change it or take the positions. So that's pretty easier. That's very easy. You can use it like in this way as well. Just click on if you want to like long 5 BTCs, you can just buy on 5 BTCs. That's it. So your positions, all of the positions will be over here. You can see these ones. So that's it. That's very simple. I don't think so. Like why some people were saying it's pretty difficult for them and all the stuff, but like it's very simple. So these ones were pretty small trades just to show you guys, but like pretty easier. You can see the net aggression as well here. Position ID, your filling price, your current price, dashboards. Yeah, that's very simple. That's very simple. And honestly, I do love this from Breakout because that's one of the best. Honestly, one of the best ever I have ever like tried before. You can just choose your quantity as well over here. You can whatever you want to do is pretty simple. You can look at your positions, you can look at what's happening on charts and all the stuff. So that's very easy to like trade. You can see your trading dashboard here. We will party we need to break the order in blocks. Yep, you can just break the orders in blocks and you can TP whenever you want. Even though on my cell phone I can use it very easily. I can use it like same like you can only close full position. Yeah, so for that one, look at these ones. Like I just opened a lot of positions. You can do the same. Like if you want to close 50% at one level, you can just uh, click and do that. So why is this showing my $500,000? Why is this showing my $500,000 of my Kraken account here? No, I mean, why? I mean, why? If you click the X, you can close partials. Let me show these guys. Let me show these guys. I guess these are my positions, right? Which one is in wise profit? Like this one, I'll click on close, and that's order filled. That's it. That's very simple. Very simple. It's very shame for me, but I want to tell you each and everything. What happened? You can even customize the dashboard here. That's very nice. You can look at all the tools here, trading view chart here. However you want to customize, you can do that one. So for me, I'm gonna make it pretty simple. Keep trading view chart here. Keep my positions below that one, and then my margin over here. So that's very nice. Margin level can be small. It's okay. Positions. A lot of positions. A lot of positions. My god. So you can even like add something as well. That's my account, your order history, your cash movement, trade history, time and sales, trading journal, dashboard, trading view chart. So everything is already here. So I don't think so. That's pretty difficult. Is it a new 100K account? Yep, I just bought a $1,000 account to show you guys. To do some fucking decent trades. Do some fucking decent trades. Are you going to show again? Probably not right now. Probably not right now. So on the dashboard you can see I have like $32 profit. Trading volume is this. Immediately we saw something big, and account equity and account is like. Okay, so the last trade just that was a small one I did on breakout. Yeah. So that one was this one. So you can see the goals overview as well. Like it's $100,000. I have to make it to fucking $110,000. I want this one to go higher and higher and higher. I want this one to be $100,000. Look, a nice pump, bro. I added 5 BTC here. I added 5 BTC on breakout terminal. What's this one? You can even modify the position as well. Stop loss, take profit, whatever you want to do. That's nice. That's nice. That's actually very nice. This is phase 1 only. Yep. Step 1, 2, step 2. Is that step 2? Anyway, I'm gonna do it. That's fucking shit, bro. I was on live stream when I bought this account, so I was not like doing it pretty. Yeah, I was on live stream while I was doing it. I was not looking at step 1 and 2. Can you show us a payout certificate? You want to see my payout certificate, bro? You have no drawdown limit. Is that special account? No, it's not. There's limit. There's limit. That one might be a glitch. My maximum daily loss and drawdown is almost same. Like that will be soon opened because I bought this one manually. Don't worry, I just have this one to show you guys. Donate me 100K to 100K account. Donate for as meant. I'll make money using my skills, brother. I'll do a lot of giveaways. I also have drawdown limits. When this goes back to my drawdown, it will be automatically like taken out. I know. That's just because maybe I was opening this shit from whole day. Show us your best one. Okay, so you guys want to see my payouts, yeah? Okay, I'll show. No, I'll not use that one for short. If Valo is saying that idea, that means that people are not interested to buy even though the price is going up. So it's actually good. So I'll just go out here and look at my payout. It will take a lot of time. What's that? It will take a lot of time for me to find my payouts. Funded account? Oh, that one was probably from November 2. I tested this one. Higher over there. Yep. I made a lot of money from the higher payouts. What should I write? Maybe I should try Hyro. Because I took most of the payouts from Hyro. Look at this one. That one was not very big. That one was That one was okay. I got more than $100,000 from a lot of pens, and they are now calling me like fucking market maker, manipulator, all that one. She was the breakout one. No, I just started that one. That's my another account. That's my another account. My main account is somewhere else. My main account is somewhere else. And on breakout, within few weeks you will see some big payouts. Some big payouts within few weeks. Don't worry. We need a strong bounce from BSC here. Shows breaker one funded. This is phase one only. Yep. Djinn, yeah, let's go. Dol 32 profits. No, that's not big. That's not big. That's not big at all. So I just showed you guys how to take trades on these terminals, and that's honestly not very difficult. That was very easy. No doubt, my market. I'm not a market maker. No way. I hate market makers. I hate market makers. Probably everyone hate market makers. I was just trying to fix it up a little bit. Okay. I used 7 minute. What's your favorite time to trade? No favorite time. Whatever time markets allows me, I take trade on that time frame. Let's fucking go, bro. Nice. Oh fuck, brother. Whoever you are, I'm very sorry to say, that's not being fucking lucky, bro. That's been like, you just like, oh my goodness. You just like spend hours and hours and hours in a day in front of charts, and later on someone calls you fucking lucky, bro. I hate that one. I really hate that one. When you spend your whole day in front of charts and doing all the stuff, and later on someone calls you lucky. My goodness, my goodness. Okay, I'll close the small positions. Because those were just to show you guys that it's actually possible how to open trades. Okay, so then you can go to your trading dashboard. You can see your trading journal over here. You can see the watch list over here, trading dashboard, your trading count, your positions. That's nice. Your order history, trade history. All of your order history will be here. That's a very nice terminal, honestly. How did you make all your money back, Brutal? I made many of them by trading on funded firms, and then I made like I'm making here. There's no rocket science on this one. You can see my trades live publicly, everything. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a very brief description. Okay, I'm gonna let you know, guys. Here, I received my first payout of around 50,000. Okay, you can say around 50K from a funded firm. Funded payout. Okay, 50K. I got that one on. I think I shown you. I was from the. Okay, so that one was probably from Hiro. No, I'm not gonna search it there. Hiro. Okay, that was higher than we. Look at this one. That was not 41. I made more. Okay, so I got that one from Hiro. How many dollars you liquidated in 10th October? Brother, I was mentally ill that time. Like I only got liquidated for $20,000. That was a very big amount for me at that time. And I was left with less than $1,000. Yes. Less than $1,000. And I was like fucked up. And I never deposited even a single dollar after. The first account on Hiro, I was working like 16 hours a day, 12 hours a day, 14 hours a day in front of charts. Okay. And did you go over the market outlook? Yep, I did in the start. Are we going to short soon? Not yet. Might be doing after a couple of hours. But right now, I'm long and strong. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is I got the first funded. Did you ever have a problem where they asked you for a call interview? No way. Because everyone knows Brutal is the mental guy who is going to expose the whole funded firm if they're gonna do bullshit with me or my followers. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows that. And I'm gonna fuck everyone who is going to like do something bad with us. Yeah, yeah. Why we have done so much fucking hard work, and you can even see this. I don't really care about CZ being. Look at this one. Look at this one. And you wanna know that this guy, CZ Binance, was following me at a time. He was really following me at a time. Let me show you. Let me show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. Yeah, here. I don't care if CZ unfollow me. At that time, CZ was following me. That was March 25. Okay. Now I'll show you when he did followed me. Yeah, I remember it was back in 23. Yep. Yeah. He was following me. He was following me, and I was still just because look at this one. I shared this one, and he said followed for the humor. He said followed for the humor. Okay, he followed me, right? And then just because I was fucking spitting the truth, he unfollowed me. I don't really care about that one, because I'll Fizzy is not the one who's giving me like any help, or CZ is not the one who is. You guys don't even know. Let me show you some scams from Binance. Let me show you some scams from Binance. Let me show you some scams from Binance. I don't know why it's not loading. I don't know, it's not loading. They actually, look at this one, look at this one. That's one of my friend, and that was PKR in 1.7 CR. That was locked by Binance, and he wants to pay like that was a complete scam. You can see this one. That was a complete scam, bro. Anyway, I'll just share what's okay. It's going good. It's going good. It's going good. Okay, I'll share with you guys that. Nice, nice. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is like I got the funded payout from of around 50K, or that was probably something around 55 or 57,000. The above money above 50, I took that one and used it on myself, family, and all the stuff. And 50K, I divided it into four accounts, like 15, 15, 15, and 5. I divided it into these four accounts because I was so hungry to make money. First 15 went to weeks, second one 15 weeks, third one Bybit, and the fourth one is my fucking DGen Rollbit account. I don't gamble or do bets there, but I do like crazy 400x longs on BTC and Ether, and that's how. And then from this 15, I made like 50K again, and that's everything done like publicly. That's not fucking hidden. I was sharing the trades live, and you can see my progress past couple of weeks. Okay, so you can see the 50K I made. I deposited into the weeks here. You can see equity. I have this was around $300,000 past couple of days, and I literally like withdrawn more than $70,000, and I'm still doing withdrawals and all the stuff. Wow, what a profit, bro! That's so fucking nice. Count up by 1%. Account is up by 1%. Should I close the trade? Maybe not. Okay. I had a friend who donated with his Binance account to a Palestinian organization. At this account got suspended. Yep, bro, that's all fucking like the religion games happening. And then I like made an account on Bybit where I trade very big. I trade very big. I deposited like more than $250,000, and you can see that even on weeks, what I have done past couple of weeks is already visible. That's already visible. Like I made more money than ever in few days, and you will not even believe people. Look at this. Look at this. If you're not feeling well after this deadly drop, let me remind you that from winning 12 millions in 2 months, and I won that in the past. Look at this one. I won like 12 millions in 2 months, and that was like everything done publicly. I longed from 57K, 72K. That was my big trade. Shorted 72K to 54K. That was my very big trade. Again bought 54K, took profit, shorted 68K, and the price was around $50,000. Yeah, and after that one, I went to this. That was my 99%, and that was, you know what? I was doing this everything on Bybit, and then I switched to Binance for because I was in quick, I was in hurries and all the stuff like, and then they just fucked me up. They just fucked me up like this, and that was the worst ever happened to me over there. And I said, but remember, suicide is not a solution. Yep, gonna grind back like it's 2017, and you can see the date, October 11, and it's like 17th of December, almost around 2 months, and I'm fucking smashing everything, bro. I'm fucking smashing everything, bro. So, doing my best, doing whatever I can do. A big ass Hummer. Yep. You wanna see my Hummer? You wanna see my Hummer? I don't really take pictures every day, but there will be a picture of me over there. Oh no, I don't want to share this one here. Maybe I can find my Hummer somewhere. I did a few days ago. During, after, in, paint, other type. Okay, okay. Let me share that one. I have one of that. Probably I made picture a few days ago, but I can't remember. That's that's pretty close. And do you have millions? Yeah, I took some very high risk trades. I took way higher risk trades. And where's my let me find my picture of my car. I got other pictures as well, but those are in my cell phone and that's not here with me. That's in another room. Yeah, this one. This one. This one. That's a fucking monster, bro. That's a fucking monster. Yeah. When are we closing the long riddle? Where the dog coin? We are again at an FPG over here. So if you go back from here, I might close the long. Damn, dude, looks good. I probably shared my another picture. Let me see. I hope so no one can find me. Okay, that's me. That's me. That's me. Why don't you buy Lambo? No, I don't like those. Damn, dude looks good. That was kind of face reveal, but I was wearing mask, so that's why I said it's okay to share. It's okay. By the way, I'm not in army or like that. Yeah, my father is on a pretty high post, so I don't really care about people dragging me out in Pakistan, especially. So like in Pakistan, it's like everything run. I don't want to talk about that one because I might be ruining my image. Yeah, yo, that's pretty easy name. Yeah. And I really don't want to reveal that one as well, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm from Islamabad. I'm from Islamabad. I'm from Islamabad. What's your target for long black Vigo? How do you got discharged so early? No, actually, I'm not like in army or all that stuff. That was like I can say that the uniform was just to like make some pictures and make some memories and all that one. I'm not discharged or I'm not even working for them. Okay, so it's about time you get. No way. I already got what I wanted in my life. So yeah, someone was asking me a question, and what's that? Do you have pets? Yeah, I do own a very nice. Maybe I got. Let me see if I have any picture here. No, I don't have. Maybe I might maybe I heard a dog voice in the background. Yep. That's my German Shepherd. That's my German Shepherd. Probably. I was actually looking for. I was actually. Yeah, it is my dog. Yeah. Let me see if I can find it here in my Discord. I shared pictures. German. I can't find it. Maybe. Where can I find that one? Little. Maybe. I don't remember, but. Oh, yeah, this one. Just got this little friend. That was back in 23. That was, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was actually finding this. Yeah, German Shepherd. Oh my goodness. The day I brought him back to my home, and that day was like special for me because that's a monster right now. That's a monster. That's a huge monster. Oh, nice. That's nice, Kurt. My goodness. Good days. How old is he? He's probably just let me look for confirmation. July 12, 23. He was probably like 2 months old that time. So it's like more than two, something like 2.5, similar to that one. Yeah, 2.5. So looks so freaking cute, bro. Yeah. I do live in Islamabad. Whenever I go back to Pakistan, I'll be probably going back in a couple of days, or maybe like after December, because I want to celebrate my New Year in Singapore. Let's see what are the plans right now. Let's see. I'm still not sure yet. Looks so freaking cute. FEG failed, I guess. Yep, FEG is failed, but I think the price can still go back up because we are still in the FEG. Downside, you saw that one. That was nice. So for just to be safe and sure, I'm gonna book half again on this one, 50%, because we added 5 BTC here, so we are 1500 up on that one as well. So I'll close half again. The total profit I've realized is $22,000, and we are in a small long yet. For me, it's Rottweiler, German Shepherd, and Doberman. Yeah, Rottweiler is like crazy dog, bro. That's crazy. No, I don't usually use 4 hour for timing my trades. Not usual. Not usual. These are like the best ones. Yeah. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt about that. I guess I might be closing this trade as well. Yep, the candle turned bad, so let's wait a single minute. Okay, the open interest here is nice because people are not aping a lot and the price is starting to move back slowly up. We'll just look at Agar on 1 minute time frame and decide what to do. Yeah, spot selling here, but not follow through yet, so not closing. So not closing because perpetuals have shorted and spots have sold a little bit, and you can see we are still like on the LTF been chopping. We might chop here a little bit more in 1 minute. On we can go still higher a little bit. So that's my plan right now. That's my plan right now. Bro, do you trades on stream daily? Yep, I did some nice trades yesterday as well, and I do it probably mostly I do it like on the weekdays. So are you going to short today or are we done? I'll just take some profits out of this. It's okay. I'll just share it like it's okay because that's an FEG and we are grinding into an FEG and we can do something wonderful like immediate do something like this. So that's why just to be on sure on the right side because we already have a long running over there. So I showed you guys how to actually trade here and my account balance is nice back up. Should I share my PNL card? Nice. Breakout trader. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Bro, from where to get funds when you are on Extreme Zero? Bro, I was having less than $1,000. I bought an account from Hiro. And when you're zero, obviously you have to ask for money from someone, from your father or someone, anyone. But like, money is money. Are you going for breakout in BTC? Yeah, if you go above this one, or even if this one, you can do breakout. What's his name? His name is Lord. Lord. He's not Lord Bavuma from cricket, but that's a better Lord. Alright, it's already been like 2 hours. I used to hunt for it also. Things are changed. Yep, things are changed a lot. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. That was what I was talking about. Like, might be possible if we start coming back down. So that's why I just like closed trades, took some profits over here again. And might long lure. In the old days, all you had to do is follow, repost, comment your wallet, and you get a chance to win an airdrop. Yep, those days were good, bro. Those days were really good. Those days were really good. I only have one should I buy for account? You just play with live because I need to make almost 20k in a couple of months. Brother, I'll give you the honest and the best advice. No one would have ever given it to you. Everyone wants money, right? If I wanted money, I would have just said you to join my Discord and you're gonna make a lot. No way, bro. Look at you. First of all, you're gonna do is very simple. Just try to execute your trades and try to be better than all other traders. Try to convert a $1,000 demo account into $5,000, and then I'll suggest you to buy a funded account or something like that. If you got only 1K, then go find a job. Bro, I was also having less than $1,000 at a time, and I never went to like fucking look for a job. If you're good in something, yeah, use your skills. That's even better. He's right in some way. Like, if for example, if you are a very good salesman, or if you are very good, I can say it like if you're very good in like making you have 1K, me I have 0, and then you will have to find a job. Then you will have to find a job. Like, if you're good in literally anything, you should be going for that one. Skills is what makes you like make a lot of money. Okay, but still trying. Bro, your execution again, where you consider doing short live in the morning first. Europeans as well, just 1 2 hours, 10 or 11 a.m. UTC. 10 or 11, that's probably time when I'm sleeping. But yeah, I'll ask for. Okay, so let me know what time is best for the Europeans. I can do that like 1 or 2 hour in the European time as well. I'll try to do in the European time as well. So I think the price is going to be so slow and choppy right now because perpetuals are again longing. So in my opinion, the price is going to like waste a lot of time of us, probably until tomorrow. Probably until tomorrow. So I'm not really interested in any more trades. We took some good trades here. We longed here as well, and that was nice one. That one. And we will be probably looking for more trades tomorrow. It's already been more than 2 hours. I might be looking to close this live. A lot of hard job, but they pay me. Are you sure? Yeah. Cause probably cause spending is easier. Like Pakistan is cheap than other countries, so that might be one of the reason. Yeah, you can't save because Pakistan is cheap if you're having income in USD and you're spending in PKR, but it's really not cheap because you are not getting enough of the salary. Yeah, I know that one. You're right. What the fuck is this now? I have never liked anything like this. Where's my blog option? What the fuck is this? Why don't you do a copy trade account? Might do soon. Just 1 2 hours enough. Sure, brother. I'll try my best. I might do copy trade soon as well. Anytime that works for you, bro. Euro launch time anytime after 10 a.m. UTC to 3 p.m. UTC. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I'll try to do. She bad though, not gonna lie. Honestly, I haven't looked at her face. I haven't looked at her face. I was just saying like, why the fuck that shit is popping on my feed? My feed is full of cricket. My god. Okay, so right now we're rejecting where we closed our lawns, and that was really nice. We closed it here on the lower time frame. If the we close our longs here. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, cause I might be. Just let me see some things. Yep, might be. We might get a long opportunity. Don't go off yet, just bro. That might take a lot of time, brother. Okay, so I'll give you a long setup here as well. Okay, wait. So your next long setup is here. That's it. That's very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna sleep with this DC here and here. Okay. So that's it. That's it. Bro, can you explain why you're choosing that level? Okay, a Winter and lose all in win. How to control a damn mind? Oh my goodness, then lose all in one? No way. Thanks, bro, legend. Any giveaway will be done probably tomorrow because no, a lot of people are right now here. Okay, so this one is just in case like the price does something like this, makes a new lower low and gives a wick to its downside, then starts moving back up. We have a nice supportive level over here as well. And the other thing is like even if you go to 5 minutes, we will automatically find a nice FEG over there. No FEG, but like that one is still in the order block. Order block is here, right here. So that's just in case if we get a trade over here. But on the lower time frame, we can still like go higher. Go higher. Upside is more probable. Not saying that upside is more probable than this setup, but saying like from coming back down to the new lows. To the sorry. To the new lows. No. This one is more probable going upside. I'm gonna share this one, okay, on the Discord as well. So that's actually a trade idea for you guys. So you put hard stop for last trade at 713 overnight. Overnight? Nope, nope. For the last trade, my stops were 85k. Hard 85k. If Tom says something nice, then surely 90k. Yep. After me, I just closed my plot. Don't use that cylinders. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, so that's the trade idea, and I'm trying to go off for a while. We'll be probably going for the breakfast. What time is it? It's already 4:17 in the morning. I'll do a breakfast, a little bit of exercise, and then I'm gonna sleep. What is DCA, brother? DCA is basically dollar cost average. You're gonna buy a $100 position here, one here, and average up your position. So that's what you call DCA. Okay. Not using SL, the biggest mistake you can make. Yep, that's actually real, for real. That's what I was talking about. That's what I was saying. Like, can place limits like this. This is your DCA. Okay, that's your DCA. What happened? Why you went lower, bro? That's your DCA. Alright, same idea. Yep. Alright, guys. I'm going off to sleep. Not the sleep, sorry. Shit. I'm going off for the breakfast and then probably dinner for me, and then I'm gonna sleep later on. Do you have academy classes like that for beginners, intermediate? Not yet, but I have my Discord where I teach a lot of things about trading and all the stuff, and I'll be probably starting learning classes soon for some people. For some people, especially that will be for first 20-30 people only, not very big. It'll move higher from here. Possibility, yeah, but for this one, I think so. That's a nice trade if that comes. Not using SL, yeah, that's a big mistake. We'll move higher from here. Probably take this out and then we'll move higher. So, alright, guys, signing out right now. I learned a lot from the stream. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. That's my motive of coming here. I'm not earning from YouTube. I just want to show you guys. I'm not even monetized. Okay, I'm not even monetized. View your channel. Where can I see? Probably on White Studio or something like that. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you. I'm not even earning anything from my YouTube channel, bro. Look at this one, monetization. And here, look at this one. I'm not earning anything from here. I haven't yet applied. Okay. My main motive of coming here is just to give knowledge to you guys, just to help you guys. Yeah, SL is this one, like a 4 hour close below this one, and I'll exit. SL is this one, 4 hour close below 86k. Thank you, brother. See you tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll be doing another live stream tomorrow, and we're gonna win again tomorrow. Today we did a trade, but that one was small one, cause like this one we just had like open longs, yeah, 5 BTC here and closed at. There was difference of $300, so 300 into 5 just straight away $1,500. That was nice fun, nice one. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Good night. Hopefully we will fill up these limits when I wake up tomorrow, and we'll be in profits as well. I hope so. Good night. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for joining. Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.